Hi friends, this video shows how to do system update or software update. Go to settings, select the settings icon, then go to system, go to about, select system update. Then check for the update. Now it's checking. See, it shows one update. Size of the update is 727 MB. This update includes bug fixes and performance improvements. So we can select that download button, then press OK button on the remote. So that way we can download and install this update. So this way we can check for software update, then download and install. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.